The lesson that I want to impart, how to be successful. Although I'm not really successful pa naman in life, I still have goals. I still have a lot of wants in my life for my kids, for my personal growth. I still have a lot of that. Siguro yung what my husband always tells me every day and also to our kids, parang humility always wins. When you have a humble heart, yes, parang you can never go wrong if you have a humble heart. Kasi nowadays talaga, ang daming mga factors na pwedeng to break you. Yung mga insecurities mo, yung mga nakikita mo, di ba, in social medias na lang. Parang pag nakita mo yung isa na nag-post ng ganito, oy, sana, parang ang daming ganong frustrations.
Yes.
But if you have that humble heart, if you could accept kung ano yung limitations mo, kung ano yung what you can do as of now, and I think you will be more successful. I think that's what I always think every time I feel this, every time I feel that. So I think yun.
Welcome back to another episode of Tokyo Aunts. It's another week.
Yes.
Ayan. How have you been?
I'm good. Pero meron tayong special guest today. So joining us for today, for this week's episode, is our very special friend ba natin to? Or guest lang siya?
Bahala na kayo.
Yes. And together with us nga, this is... Can you introduce yourself? In-introduce na lang yourself.
Introduce? Hindi man lang ako i-introduce. Wala ko na introduction.
Ana. O, ayan.
Ana. So, a loving mom of a loving wife, a loving mom of 3,
Yes.
a preschool teacher, ano pa ba? Entrepreneur.
An icon.
An icon.
The legend.
Yes. Miss Annalisa Papag.
Hi. Hello, Tokyo Aunts viewers. Hello. Thank you for guesting me here.
Okay na ba yung introduction namin? Baka meron pa kami nakalimutan. Ikaw na lang din yung magdadagdag.
Pwede mag-fill in the blanks.
Oo, ano pa ba?
Okay na yun.
I forgot
Okay
to
na
say, events coordinator na rin. Para medyo kasi maraming
Entertainment.
maraming racket kasi itong
Nahatak.
special guest natin for today. Kaya-
Siyempre. Kaya
Oo.
multitasking is the
Nahatak mo
key.
na pala siya ate sa...
Yes. Actually, nag-event din naman siya. Besides, a baker pa pala. Naku, medyo ang dami-dami talaga nitong ano.
Siyempre.
Marami rin siyang... Alam mo na mga rakiterang mami sa Japan.
Yes.
So, ayan
Oh,
po.
yes. Of
So,
course.
ikaw ang nauna mag-events coordinator, right?
Dun,
Hindi siya nag-i-event.
event
stylist.
stylist lang ako. Actually, I'm not coordinating everything about events. Pero
Oo.
kasi siya yung host, pwede siyang
Mascot.
pwede
Yes.
coordinator
Okay.
talaga. So ako kasi, ang prayo ko is to do events lang, styling lang. Other
Okay,
than
okay.
that, I won't accept na.
Bakit yung mga events na ino-organize mo, may iba kayong host? May host na pala dito.
Kasi as an coordinator, medyo nahihirapan na rin siya. Kasi when you coordinate an event, kasi ikaw yung from start to end.
To
eh.
end,
So,
okay,
if
okay.
ikaw
From
ba yung-
planning.
yes,
From planning and
mahirap
everything.
for you na meron ka talagang parang ikaw pa yung mag-host.
Sa
Kasi
bagay, oo.
kailangan mo,
You have to make sure the programs run smoothly. Everything runs smoothly.
Right,
Kaya,
right.
So you have to
that's who she
delegate
is.
people for that.
I see.
Yes.
Okay.
Now you know.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
So, konting life updates lang. Ito si Miss Anna kasi, as we call her, Madam Ana, kasi siya talaga yung madam namin.
I mean, hindi naman siya magsasuot ng ganyan kung
Oh,
hindi siya
hindi.
madam, di ba?
Diba? Madam
Oo.
na madam nga yung ganapan
Diba?
niya.
Naka-casual lang tayo. Tapos,
Si madam na madam.
Simpleng pambahay lang naman. Maliit na bagay.
Brief, overview. I met her at work din. So, bago pa lang ako sa Japan.
Year 2007.
Oh, year 2007, I met her sa work. So,
is
siya
this the potato job?
yes, the Princess Sarah
The
job.
The Princess
Sarah.
Sarah job.
So, tapos makikita mo talaga sa so, syempre yung ganap namin doon, apron, no? Yung name niya dito,
Pretty Anne.
Pretty Anna. So, yun talaga. Kaya, medyo may recall sa akin siya. Kasi tinitignan ko lang yung mga apron ng tao.
Yes,
Sabi ko,
yes.
oh, sino tong pretty dito? Tapos, welcoming talaga yung atake niya.
Atake niya.
Hello! Parang ganun, his friendship. Talaga yung atake niya sa bawat isa. So, ayun nga, after 17 years na ba?
Yung friendship
Ay,
namin.
talaga?
Yes.
Parang nagtataka din nga ako, shucks, umabot na pala kami sa ganito. Dapat pala matagal ko na siyang dinispose.
End of contract. na
Who
pala.
came to Japan first?
Me, I think.
Ikaw.
2006 of November. I came here. November 28 of 2006.
And
I came
ikaw?
here.
September 30, 2007.
Wala. Parang
like a year lang. Siguro
almost
yung
a
difference,
year.
Yes.
Oo. Okay. And then you came to Japan for work or ano?
To be a princess, I
Princess
think.
talaga. Yun talaga yung...
Papalitan niya talaga.
Papalitan ko
ano,
talaga
Japan.
sana. Yung emperor, yung empress ng Japan.
Oo.
I see.
Kaya hindi tayo pumasa
Mag-audition
ng
sana
konti.
siya. Pang PBB lang pala yung ganapan dapat niya.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I came here because I wanted to try the life of Japan. Hindi nakaplano talaga, actually.
Okay.
So parang my mother, since my mother applied the certificate of eligibility, yung eligibility. So, parang kailangan mong i-process yon.
Yes.
Kailangan mong pumunta para hindi masayang.
Yes,
So,
yes.
parang for me, parang kawa 1-year-old lang ni Borge nun eh. So, I don't like sana to go. And then, I will leave my husband pa. I will leave my son. And then, parang I felt na, sige, try ko nga. What's Japan's life? Parang sinasabi nila na, aahon sa kahirapan, ganyan. Although, hindi naman tayo naghihirap.
Yes,
no?
yes.
Parang gusto ko lang makita how's really, Japan. How's life there.
Right. Mag-venture out lang.
Something like that. And then, parang naisip ko, tas eto na ako, 19 years, nandito pa rin ako. I think 18 years.
Yes.
So initially, you plan on staying sa Japan, mga 1 year lang? Ganon?
Wala talagang plano
Definite
matagal. Walang
na.
definite. Parang ipaprocess lang yung papers ko. Ipaprocess din yung papers ng anak ko para lang meron kang parang another option. So,
Right,
kung meron kang, kasi di ba when you have that visa, parang 3 years visa, so anytime you can go, di ba? Anytime you can go to Japan. So, gusto ko ma-process yun.
Yes.
Yung visa ng anak ko, visa ng asawa ko. So, I have to stay, I have to work para ma-process yun. Yun lang. I really don't have any plans of staying here, of owning a house here, of letting my kids study here. Wala.
I see.
Later on na lang in life, nakita ko yung difference ng Philippines and Japan. That's why I am here. You know what I mean already.
Right. I see. And so 17 years of friendship, no?
Yes.
Nakakapagtaka din, di ba?
Actually, may similarities naman kayo sa personalities nyo.
Ay,
So,
yung first impression. Anong first impression mo sa akin?
Friendly. Kasi friendly
diba?
talaga. Siya pa rin naman yun. Walang pagbabago doon. Kung paano mo rin siya nakita first time, di ba?
oo.
Very
Na
friendly.
rin, nabudol din
naman
ako
siya.
Parang sabi ko, shucks, too late. Ano na eh.
Oo.
May relationship na eh. Wala, no choice na ako. Ganun din ba sa'yo?
Yes.
O, diba?
First impression ko kay ma'am, ay, chismosa.
Agad-agad. Parang hindi pa nagsalita.
No,
Ganun
parang
nga,
siya nun eh, tahimik. No, honestly. Tahimik siya. Tahimik ka lang nun, ma'am, di ba? Parang tahimik lang. Tapos, paano nga ba tayo naging magkaibigan? Parang wala lang. Ewan ko, hindi ko rin alam eh.
Tinindahan mo.
Wait lang, yung community ng Filipinos dun sa, Princess Sarah, small ba?
Big.
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 Like 80% of employees there are
Are
Filipinos.
So, may choice
Kaya,
kayo.
yes.
Bakit napunta pa rin kayo sa isa't isa?
I think because not same department pero yung department niya is just
Beside.
across us.
Yeah,
Parang
beside.
ganun. So, nagkakatinginan kami. Nakikita ko kung paring galawan niya sa trabaho. Tapos kakaway-kaway siyang ganun pagka medyo hindi siya busy, ganun siya. Hindi siya nagka-cut ng potatoes. Nagsa-slice sila. Slice ng mga,
slice na
cabbage,
mga
right?
vegetables.
Oo,
Every,
sa doon siyang department.
mga
Yasay.
curry, ganun. Yasay
Cucumber.
department ako, yes.
Hindi ba
Tomatoes.
mas delikado yung department ni Miss Ana?
Yes, kasi maraming matatalas na kutsilyo.
Oo.
So, parang
Diba?
pag ginalit mo ko, magigilitan ka agad kita ng leeg. Ganun.
Maraming vegetables cut talaga kami. Potato
Potatoes
lang.
lang
Tagatanggal
sila.
ng mata,
Oo,
diba?
yun lang eh. Sila talaga, parang, sila.
Pero ang kinakat lang naman dun,
Cabbage?
potatoes. No, hindi ka nagkakat ng cabbage dun kasi nasa machine yun eh. Ang kinakat dun is yung end ng cucumber. Diba? There's an
yung
end ng
end-to-end.
cucumber, then
Ayun.
dadalhin sa machine yun. May slicer yun. And then yung tomatoes, di ba there's green part. I-scoop
yun
mo
yung-
yung green part na yun. Then, buo na yun.
Tapos
May slicer
onions,
din
di
yun.
ba? May mga onions
Yung,
din dun.
yung end, both ends lang. May slicer sila.
Do you also rub yung ends ng cucumber? Hindi.
No, we don't
Ay,
do
hindi.
that. You just have to cut the ends and then put it there. It will be washed and then it will go to the slicer. Ganun yung doon. You don't really slice everything there. They have the machine for that.
I see. You just
Both ends.
remove the unnecessary parts
Yes.
lang.
The parts that it's not going to be on the salad.
So, mabalik tayo. Bakit nga chismosa yung first impression mo kay Ate Love?
No, joke lang. Not chismosa. No, parang tahimik siya. Tapos, I don't know how it I forgot already. Basta nag-jive na
The
lang
rest
kami.
is history. And
Yes.
other than that, medyo marami kaming napagsamahang work kasi siguro. Then yung second job ko, yun nga yung kinukwento ko yung sa naabutan kami ng earthquake. Siya rin yung kasama ko doon.
Ano nga ba yun?
Yung
aerosol.
aerosol, yung mga spray na company naman siya. So, siya
okay,
naman yung
okay.
kasama ko doon.
Nasaan ka nun, ma'am? Anong department? Ako nasa N12 ako. Yun gumagawa ng Biore.
Yung parang ganun, yung umiikot. Ano ba yung
M?
spray? Yung parang spray ng, yung maliliit na cans lang siya, yung nakalimutan
Ang
ko.
dami
Basta
naman.
dun sa N din siya, N.
Nasa N ako. N12 ako eh. Sa gitna. Sa tapat ng
Basta,
GSA.
basta yung pag-up ng roller, yung shutter, nakita ko na rin siyang tumatakbo. Kaya,
Yes.
Isa ka pala
na
sa
rin ako.
tumatakbo.
Oo, tapos nakita na kaming
Paano
dalawa. Ay, ganyan-ganyan na. Actually, in fairness to them, di ba, our husband went to our company.
Oo, kaya tayo
Tinignan
umuwi.
kami. Parang chinek kami kung okay kami. And then, after that, yung place namin, walang electricity. So, doon kami nakatulog sa kanila one night. Parang
Okay.
sabi niya sa akin, kakaawa ka naman doon na kayo matulog.
Doon ka na ba sa Republic of, Ibaraki?
Yes,
Yes,
ever
that
since the
time.
world began,
Doon
I am
talaga
from
siya.
Ibaraki.
I see.
Iba
Okay.
ka. Hashtag iba ka,
Iba ka.
Ibaraki.
Ang layo pala. So, from Ibaraki, dumayo pa siya sa inyo?
Oo, actually, yung
Hindi naman na siya.
ang malayo kami, kasi yung workplace is near
Ibaraki.
doon. Ibaraki na siya.
So, ikaw ang dumadayo?
Oo, for work. And
okay,
then,
okay.
yun nga, yung that happened, wala silang electricity. Meron sa Kasukabe. So, sila yung pumunta sa
Natulog
amin.
kami sa
Oo,
kanila.
tapos wala tayong mabilhan. Di ba parang kumain lang tayo sa parang Chinese, maliit na Chinese restaurant na open na lang.
That time yun talaga na-experience ko yung
Most horrific.
very, yun yung remember that there was a news na how humble or kung gaano ka-fair yung mga Japanese. Yung money doesn't work here. Unlike in the
Yes.
Philippines, when you have money, you can buy everything that you like, right?
Yes,
when you have
yes,
money.
yes, yes.
When disaster comes and then you have money, kaya mo mag-save, mag-imbak ng food, ganyan.
Right,
Here, you
right.
cannot.
I see.
You will fall in line, bibili ka talaga. They will just allow you to buy one
They
pack
really
of
ration
eggs,
out
Yes.
yung
one
food.
pack of bread, one pack of sugar, and then yung lining ng gas station. Inaabot kami ng 3 hours. Only makakapagpagas ka lang ng 2,000 yen.
Okay.
Yes, ganun. 2 to 3 hours ang line mo. Because just to be fair, I think, for
Right,
everybody.
right.
Para
Yes.
they can supply everybody.
Yes, yes.
Dun ko nakita yon. And I think it was also in the news na sinabi nila na ganun nga yung mga ano ng Japan. Ganun sila. Hindi katulad ng, unlike other countries. When you have money, you can buy everything.
Right, right.
Dito hindi. Kay mayaman, kay you have to fall in line. That was, I think it went until months.
Months, di ba? Kaya
Kasi
na
umuwi
lang
ka.
kami. Yes.
But
Umuwi ka
you,
ba na?
Yes, 4
I
months.
stayed.
but you stayed in Japan,
stayed.
diba?
Kasi there were moments na hindi na ako makapasok, 'di ba? Tapos sinusundo pa niya ako kasi yung gas nga, 'di ba? Kailangan
Yes,
you have to
yes.
save the gas. Ang layo rin ng Ibaraki.
Yes,
Tapos
yes.
punta siya Kasukabe para lang makapasok. Tapos and then sa workplace minsan ika-cut pa 'yon dahil aftershocks na naman. So
Yes,
wala rin train pa uwi. So paano mangyayari, 'di ba? Nagkakawang gawa yan para sumundo. Pero hindi naman pwede
Ganun ko siya
everyday.
ganun kabait sa
So,
kanya.
mahirap talaga. Kaya, maraming na-stop talaga na trabaho
Yes, yes.
that time. So, we decided na umuwi muna. Pero sila, they stayed here.
It looks like your friendship has gone through thick and thin, no?
Through earthquakes and tsunamis.
And tsunamis and everything. Yes.
And, meron pa, yung isa pa, yung
Ano
sa
yun?
car, ano nga, yung Kensa.
Ay,
Kasama rin kami.
Kensa? Yung
Yung mga
parts?
logo.
Ay, mga logos ng, for example, yung mga names of the emblems.
Yeah.
Yeah, the emblems of cars.
Yun ba yung ganon?
No,
No,
no.
emblems are the names. Like
No,
Honda,
like when you
Toyota.
press, di ba you're making car plates, di ba? Don't you have to like press it?
No.
No.
Okay.
Nasa kami, quality control. So, you have to look lang if there are scratches, NG na yun. So, yung parang kunyari, logo siya ng Honda, Toyota,
Velfire.
ganyan. Tapos, check mo lang siya, konting scratch, hindi na yun pwede. Ganun lang yung ginagawa namin. So,
Okay.
nagkasama din kami doon. Ang dami na pala nating pinagsamahan. And then, yung last nga, yung kasama ka na namin.
Where I met
Diba?
you, actually. Yeah.
So, yung first
So-
impression ko sa'yo, aren't you gonna ask me?
Okay.
Okay.
Please.
So, yung first impression ko kay Ate Ana, first week niya, nagdala siya ng brownies sa work. Sabi ko, shock, ang bait, may brownies. Tapos may mga snacks, which sabi niya, oh, no, go ahead, just get some, ganon siya. Tapos, whenever she comes to work, very friendly, very open, very welcoming. Kung paano, how she is at work dun sa first job,
Yes.
ganon na ganon siya. Walang pagbabago. Tapos parang na-notice ko, second week, third week, wala nang dala. So parang akong, hindi naman ako ungrateful na tao, no? I'm
Pero
very
umasa
grateful.
ka.
Pero umasa kasi ako.
Every pasok niya may dala siya.
Yes. Tapos parang dumating na nga sa point na never kasi ako nagtatanong, may pagkain ka.
Oo, dumating na kasi, ganto na.
Dumating na ako sa point na, ate,
Nagtanong
may
ka
dala
na.
kang food. Kasi wala na siyang parang pagpapasok siya, good morning, gano'n. Tapos diretso work na siya kaagad. Wala na yung, I brought some snacks, gano'n. So pag magbe-break kami together, parang akong, may pagkain ka, may snacks ka. Kasi syempre, di ba, you feel peckish, you want something sweet after you eat lunch, di ba?
I give you,
Wala
even
na.
if I give you.
Pero parang labag na
sometimes.
sa loob mo, ate.
Ay, over hindi,
Kasi parang sabi mo,
I've
ay,
never
para
been
sa
like
akin
that.
talaga to. Pero sige.
No,
Ganon, may ganon,
ganun na.
ate.
So, can you say sa umpisa lang pala siya? Pabida. Well, actually, free taste nga talaga yun.
Oo.
Kasi
Kasi nga,
pa-order
baker
yun.
talaga siya. Racket
Because-
talaga niya.
Yes,
yun.
racket talaga niya yung mga
Oo.
goodies na
Ganun
yun.
talaga yun. Yung
She
parang
sells
pa-assign
kasi.
kayo. Patatakamin kayo. Para, ay, shucks, I want
Oo.
to buy.
Pero parang nabudol nga ako. Nabudol din ako kasi I think bumili ako eh.
Yes.
Ano ba yung nabili ko?
Brownies and caramel.
Caramel bars.
Yes.
Di ba? It was not nice. Di ba?
Oo. Even, Direct said it was good.
Oh.
Di ba?
Of course, only the best.
From Anna Baker. Nag-promote pa nga. Find her on Instagram.
You cannot find anymore. Wala na yun.
Ay, wala na.
Parang naging events.
Yeah,
na
because
pala.
tiring for me.
Actually, no.
Sa sobrang daming racket niya, naubusan
Sobrang
na siya ng yung 24 hours niya, kinulang para sa mga
kulang na
naiisip
kulang
niyang
talaga.
racket.
Pero actually, yung friend ko, may side hustle din siya na baking. nagbe-bake siya ng mga cakes, ng mga pastries, ganun. Kulang isang araw.
Yes.
Tapos, siya nag-offer din siya ng free delivery I think if your orders are more than 2,000 or 3,000 yen. So, pati yun kasama rin sa 24 hours na yun. So, parang,
Yes.
kulang talaga yung oras kapag may side hustle kang baking.
Yes.
Mm-mm.
Because it takes time. It
Yes,
takes
to
time.
prepare.
And you have a lot. And aside from being a baker, I am a mom. I am a wife. So, kulang yung oras ko for that.
I see.
And then I became a teacher.
Mm-mm.
So, hindi ko na talaga siya kaya. Too much on my plate.
Right.
Sometimes na lang, when I have time. When I feel like it.
Okay.
Ganun.
So, speaking of that, ano ba talaga yung main topic natin for today's episode? Actually, para nakwento na rin.
Success.
This is about, so we're talking about, for this week, we will gonna talk about life success. Yung journey to success, or ano nga ba talaga yung ibig sabihin ng success for each one of us? Kasi, katulad natin, when we heard of success, ang iniisip lang talaga natin, ang marker kasi ng success is financial stability. Or if na-reach mo na yung point na marami na akong pera, yun yung common ng success for us, 'di ba? Pero there are many meanings of success kasi. Pwede kasing successful ka in your family life, relationship, success, ganyan. Pwede rin na educational success for some. Hindi lang siya yung financial aspect. So, yun. For you, ano ba ibig sabihin ng success? To start with our guest.
Guess na kagad.
Guess na
Guess
agad.
kagad.
Guess na agad.
What's success? Like what you said, maybe personal, kapag yun personal, if you have a partner, it's successful when you have a nice marriage, nice relationship with your partner, with your husband. I am 21. We are married for 21 years, and I would say never nagkaroon ng selosan, third party involved. Never. Even before, boyfriend and girlfriend kami. And I would say, at this point of time, successful yung marriage life ko. Because I never had a problem with my husband on that manner. Okay? And then very supportive yung husband ko in everything that I do. I have 3 beautiful kids. So personally, I would say I'm successful. Yes. My relationship with my parents, with my in-laws are good. So, yes, personal side, I am okay. I am good. How about you?
Ako na. Pero wait lang, ko-comment ko lang, no? Nung 4 years old ka pala, kasal na sila.
4 years
Yes,
old?
because I'm 24.
25, teto naman yung math.
22, always 22 at heart. Me.
Sino? Ikaw.
Because I got married 23 years old. I got married 23 years old ako. So 22 at heart. Whenever
Pabalik kasi
people-
yung mga bilang namin.
Yes.
So, sa akin, I've come to realize that money doesn't buy happiness necessarily,
Yes.
but it does buy a lot of things that make you happy.
Yes, of
Oo,
course.
yun talaga. So parang, I don't expect money to buy myself happiness. Pero it's nice to be able to have money to buy things for others. Parang, yung, not to share too much, no, pero I was able to help a bit nung nandito si mama. So parang we were able to do things na hindi namin nagawa dati. Tapos we were able to eat out more na dati. Parang naalala ko ng bata ako, parang pag mag-ano kami, when we go eat sa restaurants, parang yung 2 set meal, tapos maghahati pa kaming 4 na magkakapatid doon. Tapos kasama pa si mama. Kasi nga, hindi namin afford mag-eat out. So, most of the time, sabay kami kumakain. But now, it just feels nice na parang we've come far. Pero malayo. Malayo na, pero malayo pa.
Yes.
Oo. Yun. And then, personally, I think maturity is also a sign of success. Parang when you just when you don't see yourself lang in a conflict, and you try to see the fact that you're open to see the other party's perspective is also a sign of success for me.
Yes.
Yeah. Parang, yun.
Yun. Kasi, ewan ko ha, there are more successful people na in terms of financial ha, yung mga, may mga businesses sila, may mga ganyan. Pero, they can't really find happiness eh. So, hindi pa rin pala parang pamantayan ng success yung pagiging financially stable.
Mm-mm.
So, parang siguro, ano nga, for me ha, inisip ko lang, kasi I can't really, ano ba to, hindi ko makonsider yung sarili ko na successful in a way na na-reach mo yung goals mo in life. So, for me, parang yung success is yung journey mo through that. So, if hindi mo pa siya na-achieve in life, for me, success na yung napagdaanan mo. Kasi may mga hurdles yan along the way, di ba? So, maraming struggles, ganyan. Pero, if na-surpass mo each struggles, parang for me, success na yun. Hindi mo kailangan na ma-reach. Kasi, when you reach your goal, parang contentment naman yung papasok. Parang, tapos ko na tong goal ko na to. So, next. So, parang walang katapusan. So, for me siguro, you need to live your life each day na find something na for you magiging successful ka. So, kunyari, pumasok ka lang sa work, tas ganyan. Yung natapos mo yung buong shift mo na okay ka, mentally stable ka, hindi ka sumabog. Siguro success na rin yun everyday.
Hindi sumabog.
Diba kasi meron talaga tayong ganong moment.
Bomba.
Yes!
Sumasabog.
Na everyday, parang hindi mo yun ine-expect na mangyayari.
Oo.
At workplace, sa atin kasi at workplace, kasi lahat tayo nagtatrabaho eh. Pero sa bahay naman, kung yung mga, as a mom naman, pagka nakita mo yung mga anak mo na, tinuruan mo siya, and then they got high grades sa school, success yun for you as a mom, di ba? So, marami rin talaga. So, huwag nating maging pamantayan ng buhay yung successful ka kasi marami kang pera. Yun lang yun. So, siguro kailangan isipin natin na yung goals mo sa buhay, wala naman yan. Kumbaga, each of us, we have our own timeline. So, even if 40s, 50s, hindi ka pa successful financially, siguro parang it doesn't really matter. So, what matters is yung each day na live mo siya in a way na kailangan mong masurpass yung mga challenges na dumadating.
So what you're saying is money is not the goal, but means for success.
Yes.
Okay.
Money's never a marker of success.
Okay.
Na
Should never
should
be.
never be. Yes. So, siguro yun nga. Kasi, alam mo dati, parang, di ba, as a mom ha, pagka napatapos nila yung mga anak nila, parang sa kanila, okay na
Yes.
ako, successful ako. Kasi meron akong anak na nakagraduate, ganyan. Not necessarily naman na, kasi di ba, diploma, para sa magulang, yun yung goal mo eh. Sana makatapos ng mga anak ko.
Always
Yung challenges, ikaw, hindi naman ikaw yung mag-aaral. Merong mag-stop, merong mga nag-asawa agad. So, parang, siguro, ang ano natin para sa magulang is mabigyan natin talaga sila ng, natapos ko yung, ito yung gusto mo for me. So, for them, it's success na rin sa kanila. So, yung mga ganun lang na maliliit na bagay, parang hindi naman nila inano na, sana maganda yung matrabahuhan mo, parang mapasukan mo, maging successful ka in life. Pero ako, success na makita kita na natapos ka mag-aaral. So, may mga kakilala rin ako na parang, yes, they have lots of money. Ang pangarap lang nila makatapos yung anak nila, pero hindi nila nagawa kasi nga, ayun, parang for them, para sa kanila, failure sila as a parent.
Kasi hindi nila napag-aral.
Oo, pero to which hindi naman din sila kasi yung person na, yun yung life goal nila.
Yes,
okay lang
yes.
ako kasi parang as a mom, dati wala namang mga trabaho, mga mommies eh. Gusto lang nila, mapagtapos yung anak nila, okay na, yung maturuan,
Yes.
maging okay yung buhay, di ba? So, for them, parang hindi. Pero, may mga times na hindi mo rin dapat sisihin yung sarili mo kasi hindi naman din ikaw
Yes.
yung, parang tama naman yung pagpapalaki mo sa mga anak mo, pero hindi parang sila mismo yung nag-change.
Mm-mm.
So, parang for you, hindi success yun. Pero maybe there are other parts naman sa buhay mo na magiging successful ka na hindi lang yung bagay na ganun.
But I think more than mapag-aral yung anak, I think another measure of success is pag na-instill mo yung values.
Yes.
Definitely.
No.
Siguro number
Yung
one
values,
yun.
yun talaga.
Yeah. Because I remember a conversation earlier, you mentioned values with and how you try to, parang gusto mong i-instill sa mga kids mo na always remember your values, no matter where you go.
Yes, and it always starts in where they grew up.
Right, right.
So, hindi
Inside
naman
the
na
house.
ituturo lahat yun sa school, di ba?
Yes.
Yeah.
So, yung values na yun kasi, yun yung lumalabas, ay yung character ng bata.
Yes, yes.
Paano sila lumaki, how to face problems, how to face everything. Dun, sa values na yun ng bata. Paano sila lumaki, di ba? Me, very important yun. More than anything, important sa akin yun. Yung paano yung mga anak ko, how will they see things, how will they deal with everything na nakikita nila. Kasi kahit palakihin mo ng mabuting tao yung anak mo, yung surroundings nila. So, paano? Magpapa-apekto yung anak mo? Or kung
Yes, yes.
sasama ba yung anak mo dun sa bad influence? So, dun pumapasok yung values.
Nature
yung bata.
versus nurture, no?
Yes.
Bakit ganun, ate? Hindi naman maldita si mama, pero yun,
Di ba yun yung inaano mo? Siguro,
na-instill sa akin yung,
Yes. I don't-
no?
so kasi, lahat merong mga different personalities naman tayo.
Maybe the way you grew up. May mga experiences ka ba sa buhay mo? Kaya ka
Ay,
naging maldita.
Kay mama?
No. Not necessarily with your mother.
Oo.
How you grew up, kaya ka naging maldita.
Oh.
Kasi you know yourself more than anyone. So you would
Oo.
attribute it to where.
Mm-mm.
Parang meron ka bang mga inner child na dapat
Traumas.
i-heal? Mga ganun
Na-heal
ba?
na, pero maldita pa rin.
Kaya nga innate na yun,
Oo.
personality
Innate
na
talaga.
talaga
Oo.
siguro na ganun siya. So, nasa chromosomes.
Oo, nandun na talaga, no? Sa DNA na.
Sa
Mm-mm.
DNA. Ba't di
Kaya-
natin pa-check yung ano mo?
Kaya kay Direk, no? Total.
Total naman mahilig siya mag-check.
Scientist
no?
naman siya.
Pakuha
diba?
kong dugo.
Mm-mm.
Kayo, ano rin ba? Mga maldita rin ba ang mga moms nyo?
I know.
Hindi.
Ba't maldita rin kayo?
Ay,
hindi ako
hindi ako.
Ay, hindi ba?
Huwag ka mandadama.
Ano lang ako,
Very subtle
siguro
na.
di ba everybody sees me as very friendly. Pero siguro yung mga ibang tao, nakita rin nila ako na parang straightforward. Ganon. I say what I feel. I say what I really want to say most of the time. Which is, I felt tama. Especially when I was single, when I was a kid. Parang feeling ko, di ba dapat nga, ang tinuturo sa'yo ng nanay mo, sabihin mo yung nararamdaman mo, wag ka magsisinungaling. So ako naman, masyado ko namang inano yun.
Inadapt sa buhay.
Inadapt
niya.
ko sa buhay ko na parang sasabihin ko yung nararamdaman ko. Hindi ko napansin na nakaka-offend na ako ng tao.
Too
Yes.
blunt ka.
Oo, because I'm too straightforward. So parang tuloy, nakakita ako ng mga tao na maldita. Ganon. Pero hindi naman. Hindi naman ako maldita. Sinasabi ko lang yung nararamdaman ko. Sorry. Yung nararamdaman ko. And then, later on, when I got married, when I gave birth, dun mo na pala maaano na, okay, kailangan pala subtle lang. Hindi lahat sasabihin mo. Hindi lahat ang nararamdaman mo.
There are things that are
Oo.
left unsaid.
Yeah.
Better left unsaid. So, hindi pwedeng lahat, kahit feeling mo tama, hindi mo kailangan sabihin lahat. So, parang let nature take its course. So, parang hayaan mo na lang silang makarma.
Hindi, pero actually, that's true, ha? Na-realize ko rin yan na parang I don't have to do anything actively. People will find out, and people will find out, and nature will take its toll, di ba? Parang I don't have to do anything. Malalaman na lang ng tao yun.
Pero when it happens ba, merong konting, parang, what do you call this?
O, di ba?
Hindi,
Ay,
meron
hindi ba?
bang konting guilt? Na,
When?
hindi sa sarili mo, kumbaga, yung revenge. Kunyari, di ba meron kasing mga gano'n, nakasakit sa atin, and then iisipin mo, gantihan ko kaya to. Pero nature na, gumanti sa kanila. May konting guilt pa.
Wala.
Parang, kaya
Wala.
nangyari kasi gusto kong mangyari sa kanya. Like that. May mga
Wala.
ganun.
Deserve.
Wala. Deserve.
Deserve? Ay,
Deserve na
no.
talaga.
Before kasi, I have peoples talaga. No?
People's
I
part.
have this, mga,
Friends.
I don't know,
Oo.
frenemies, ganyan,
Uh-huh.
na, I don't want to say kung ano ka sila.
Name
Showbiz.
drop yan.
No,
Bilis
no,
ang
no, no,
showbiz
no.
ng sagot.
No,
Frenemy.
because I cannot. Yung, alam mo yun, in your dreams, parang you are wishing them bad. In your dreams, parang gusto mo, ay, parang nakapag-dream na rin ako in a way na, parang napatay ko na nga siya.
Ay,
Ganun.
grabe.
Pero
Yeah.
human nature eh. That's
Yeah, when
how
you're
it
angry,
is.
because there's part in my life na talagang I felt may side yon, which is I don't want to discuss. I don't want to disclose anything about it. It's
Off-cam na lang.
Yan,
Off-cam.
off-cam na lang yan. Na parang feeling mo na ano mo na siya, yung parang nag-segue na tayo. Nasa na, hindi na tayo success. Nasa na ba tayo?
Hindi, doon na tayo sa ano. Hindi, kaduktong rin naman to.
Okay. So parang in my dreams, napatay ko na sila, ganun. Parang yun yung gusto mo. Kasi sabi nung professor ko in psychology, what are dreams? Sabi niya, 2 things lang daw. Dreams are either you want to happen or things that you really don't want to happen. So, 2 things lang yan. So, sabi ko sa sarili ko nun before. So, ibig sabihin pala, nung napanaginipan ko na may napatay akong tao, gusto ko pala talaga silang patayin. Parang gano'n. But I don't have that murderer instinct, ha? Wala
But
naman.
subconsciously, yun
Yes.
yung naiisip mo before you sleep.
Because-
Ganun daw yun.
Ano yun eh, I was a kid. I was a kid that time. I was very young. Nung time na yun, parang I felt very ape. Ganon. Yung inapi kami. Ganon. So parang the only thing I could think, because I cannot physically fight them, right? I don't have that energy. I don't have the capacity to do so. I am not brave enough. So the only thing I could think is parang ipanalangin mo na lang na mamatay na kayong lahat as a kid.
Grabe naman po.
Because that's the
Sa
human
bagay.
nature. Have you not
Yes, yes.
experienced
Hindi,
that?
ito doon na talaga yung...
Meron pang akong nakulam nung grade school ako.
Hindi ako umabot sa ganun. Yung parang naiisip mo lang na parang shocks, mamamatay din kayo. Parang ganyan. Ganun lang yung naiisip mo. Tapos siguro naiisip mo siya, kaya dumarating sa panaginip mo. Kaya parang sinabi ko talaga doon sa grandma ko, which is my very close grandma. Sabi ko, Lola, sabi ko, parang naisip ko na silang parang napatay ko na yata sila sa panaginip ko. Sila yung mga tao, mga nang api sa amin. Yung parang, and then she told me na, parang let go, learn to forgive, learn to forget. I was able to forgive. The only problem, I cannot forget. It's hard for me to forget. Siguro ganun ang ng people pleaser.
Ikaw din?
Yes, you
Ikaw
can
din, diba?
forgive.
Parang hindi pa nga siya sa
Diba?
people pleaser. Kasi medyo pa siya, kaya niya nga, she doesn't care what you think. May part siyang ganun. Ako, mga 80% iisipin ko muna before I do it or say it. Pero siya hindi. She will be the ate you will never have. Kasi, siya yung parang tagapagtanggol. Parang ganun. Sinong umaway sa'yo? Ganun. Meron siyang ganung nature.
Pero hindi ko naman sinusugod. Wala naman ako sinusugod. Kaya lang, parang support, nasan yan. Ganun, hanggang ganun lang tayo. Sino yun? Tapos talk na lang.
Chika-chika na.
Chichika,
Siya pa talaga yung
chichikahin
chismosa.
Hindi.
Hindi, pero may part din kaya mo, di ba? Kaya mo na ilalaban kita.
Oo, ilalaban
May
kita.
ganun siya.
Ganun. May
May
point.
ganun
Pero
siya.
never naman tayong umabot pa sa ganun.
Hindi
Wala
pa
naman
na-
tayong
wala pa
sigurong
naman tayong
Wala
sinugod.
naman. Wala naman ganun. Pero parang kunyari, pag down siya, sinong away sa'yo, ganyan, sino, halika gusto, kausapin natin, ganun. But ina na naman.
Civil
Diplomatic
manner.
way.
Oo, diplomatic way. Hindi naman yung tipong sampalan ka agad.
Oh.
Hindi ko pa naman na-experience yon in my life. Never pa naman. Parang I don't want to go through that path. I never want to go that path. Parang lang, usap lang. In a diplomatic way lang naman tayo.
Kung yung worst na panaginip mo is yung murder na. Ako yung pinaka-worst ko, yung sugod sabay sampal. Yun lang talaga yung
Parang
akin.
nagawa mo, hindi ba?
Oy, nagawa ko ba?
Hindi ko alam,
Nagawa
kaya
mo
tinatanong ko,
na.
baka kaya mong gawin eh. Kasi parang
Feeling ko kaya ko
kaya
naman.
mong gawin.
Oo, pinipigilan ko lang. Pero kaya ko. Oo. Siyempre.
Kaya.
Maraming tokso te.
Oo, kayang-kaya mo yan.
Every day is a struggle talaga.
Yes.
My
Oo.
see. Ay, struggle.
Even today is a struggle.
Okay, mamaya natin pag-usapan yan. Next episode,
Ay,
meron
meron
tayo
ba?
ganyan. Anger management.
Ay, parang na natin yan.
Hindi
Na-close na ba
pa.
natin? Hindi pa ba?
Mga dadaan ng topics lang. So yun na nga, no, sa success. So, when you reach naman yung successful life mo in whatever aspect it is, ano yung pwede nyong ma-share sa mga magsisimula pa lang? So,
Baby.
pero ito parang ano ha? Or kunwari kasi, like kami, nasa 40s na kami. So, medyo marami na kaming napagdaanan. Merong mga 20s pa lang, or basta kahit anong bagay na pwedeng nyo, ay yung mga lessons in life na nakuha nyo to become successful. Ano ba yung mga pwede nating i-share sa mga listeners and viewers natin na
Alam mo, in conclusion na to, no?
Yes.
Coincidentally, habang nagsha-shower ako kanina, napaisip ako, random thought lang. Parang, kasi you mentioned age, diba, na 40s. Parang, for me, it's never too late to start anything. It's
Of
never
course.
too
Yes,
late
never.
to set goals and feel successful. Kasi at whatever age you start, kaya pa. So even if you start at 60, you plan ahead and then you set goals, kaya. Walang no age restrictions, and that's a very good part of it. You can start at any time you want.
yes.
You know why? Because everything is figure-outable.
Talaga ba?
Yes. Yes. You can figure out everything, especially nowadays. If you don't know how to cook, go to YouTube, Google everything, you can figure it out. Yeah.
Actually, it's true.
Nowadays, you can.
Bakit? Is there anything you started?
Figured
Want to impart? Ano, asan ba?
No, you started learning this year or parang...
Me? What did I start? No. Maybe
Wala.
because wala naman ako in-start ngayon.
okay. Kaya ko meron kasi.
No, I'm just telling. I'm just telling.
Pero kasi,
pala.
sige.
No, because I just gave an opinion sa sinabi mo na
You just gave your second
yes,
motion.
second. Na lahat matututunan mo talaga. Hindi ka magsiset ng age limit. Dapat before kasi old days, 'di ba? Parang dapat 30, ganito ka na, may ganito ka na, may ganyan ka na, 20. Parang ang sa atin kasi 20 years old, finish na ng college, and after that may work ka na, and then line of 20s, parang late 20s dapat may asawa ka na, gano'n, may family ka na. Kasi pag sinasabi na, naku, pag 30s ka, mahirapan ka na mga anak. So, dapat may anak ka na rin, gano'n.
Yes.
Ngayon, hindi na gano'n diba? Parang, I think, mas more on career nga ang mga pinaprioritize sila ang career nila
Yes.
more than
Yeah.
anything. Yung mga kabataan ngayon.
Yes.
And the social media, of course.
Yes.
Mas priority nila kung paano sila titignan ng mga tao or how people view them. Ganun. I think, yung ano nila. Anyway, the lesson that I want to impart, how to be successful. Although I'm not really successful pa naman in life, I still have goals. I still have a lot of wants in my life for my kids, for my personal growth. I still have a lot of that. Siguro yung what my husband always tells me every day, and also to our kids, parang humility always wins. When you have a humble heart, yes, parang you can never go wrong if you have a humble heart. Kasi nowadays talaga, ang daming mga factors na pwedeng to break you. Yung mga insecurities mo, yung mga nakikita mo, 'di ba, in social medias na lang. Parang pag nakita mo yung isa na nag-post ng ganito, oy, sana, parang ang daming ganong frustrations.
Yes.
But if you have that humble heart, if you could accept kung ano yung limitations mo, kung ano yung what you can do as of now, and I think you will be more successful. I think that's what I always think every time I feel this, every time I feel that. So, I think yun.
Humility always wins.
Humility always wins. Yes. From my husband yan. Always, sinasabi niya sa akin yan. And I think, yes, magiging winner ka talaga. Because, ang daming factors na pwede talaga makapag-break sa'yo. Even sa marriage nyo, even in all aspect of life. But if you have the humility, and you will win. I think that's it.
Sa akin siguro, parang do not rush things. Kasi sinabi nga ni Miss Ana, parang in this world of yung technology is always posted. Yung parang achievements in life are always posted on social medias. Parang nakakatakot for you, especially nandito ka na sa midlife, na parang wala ko na-achieve ba? Bakit yung mga bata, they don't even graduated pa. Kasi dati yun nga, ang standard ng buhay is wala kang ma-achieve pag hindi ka nakagraduate.
nakapagtapos.
Yes.
Correct.
Ngayon, diskarte na lang. Ngayon,
Street smart.
diba?
Yes.
Ngayon, content creation, nandyan lahat.
Yes.
Bata pa lang successful na, earning 6 figures, 7 figures, diba? Parang ganun. And yung mga nasa midlife, parang napag-iiwanan. So, for me siguro, parang do not rush things kasi we have our own timeline.
Yes.
So, kung sa kanila, may mga na-achieve na sila ng younger years nila, pwede pa rin mag-start ngayon. So, it's never-ending process siguro to reach success talaga in life. And, ayun, wag mong maging basis yung ibang tao. Kasi we own have
Yes.
our own path. So, meron tayong mga own timeline kung kailan natin ma-figure out. Kasi ngayon nga, diba, may mga passion tayo na ngayon pa lang natin talaga ma-realize na, oh, I'm good at this pala, I'm good at that.
Yes.
So, it's never the end. Dahil lang sa ganitong age ka na.
in your own time.
Yes, in your own time, ganyan. So, do not rush things lang. Kasi doon tayo minsan nadadapa masyado eh. Yung pagka, ay, kailangan ko na to. Kasi nape-pressure ako sa time. Kailangan
Yes,
ko na
yes.
tong ma-achieve. Kailangan magawa ko na to lahat-lahat. Kasi I'm getting older na. Pero no, that's not the basis of success in life. We have our own meaning of success. So, I think, yun, figure out on your own.
Recording, di ba?
Sorry.
Sana hinintay
Hindi.
eh.
Okay lang yun. Basta figure out kung what really makes you happy, your passions in life. And, yun nga, sabi ni Miss Ana, humility pa rin. So, kahit anong stage ka na-reach mo man yung pinaka-highest na pwedeng ma-achieve in life, you need to stay humble. And you need to go back. Hindi naman to go back at yung mga along the way kung sino yung mga tumulong sa'yo. Do not forget them. Kasi, hindi mo naman yan magagawa on your own eh.
Yeah.
So, kailangan mo rin to, I think, kahit once in a while, kahit nga siguro thank you eh, di ba? Be grateful na may mga taong tumulong sa'yo to achieve that kind of success in your life. Yeah.
Hindi Mount Everest ang highest point.
Yes.
Meron pang outer space.
Sky is the limit.
Of course.
Ayan. Thank you so much!
Thank you so much for
Thank
sharing your
you.
story, Miss Anna.
Thank you for having me.
Ayan
Thank you
na,
so
sabi,
much.
first time, di ba? Pero parang hasana.
Oo,
Alam na
parang
kagad.
for the next season.